Hello, we're going to show you how to dice a carrot. We've already peeled the carrot and we've chopped off the little end piece right there. And so this is how we do it since the carrot is really hard to dice. What we do is we just take a peeler and we peel pieces of the carrot like this. And you can just keep going, peeling pieces of carrot until there's barely no carrot left. And this makes it a lot easier when you try to dice it. It's really thin pieces, so it'll be a lot easier to work with. Make a whole bunch of slices of carrot. Anyway, you can go until you have no carrot left, or you'll get the basic idea. And you basically just take a bunch of the carrot like this. You don't have to do it all at once. You can just do a little bit at a time, or even just as much as you need. You take a knife, make sure it's a sharp knife, and you just go and you dice it like this, going all the way down, all the way through. It works like the charm, and you get really small pieces of carrot, really quickly if you just use this peeling technique. You can even cut down the pieces smaller. Just give it a rough chop in half like this real quick. And as you can see, you've got a perfect little chop of carrots there that you can use in a salad or for sauteing in a pan or anything like that. And you can do the other parts, but you get the basic idea.